If you wanted to use a memory card with your Motorola Signature, then in that case, unfortunately, you cannot use the SIM tray. Over here, as you can see, I have one physical SIM card inserted into the SIM tray, and there is this symbol that just tells us that we cannot use anything in there. So you cannot use the microSD card either. Therefore, if you just desperately need to use the microSD card, then you can use a memory card reader. I know it is really inconvenient to use on a daily basis. It's definitely a hassle, and you probably don't want that inconvenience to walk around with it connected to your phone all the time. But the idea is that if you have something that you want to transfer from time to time from your memory card to your phone, or from your phone to memory card, then you can use something like this. There are smaller memory card readers than this one. This one has 3 different slots, but you can also find a memory card reader just with the micro SD card slot. And of course, you're looking for one with USB-C cable. So you connect it to the memory card reader. You put the microSD card to the reader, and then you connect it to your phone, and then you should be able to access the storage and get all the data. So that's pretty much it. But like I'm saying, if you don't really need that hassle, then unfortunately there is no way to actually use the microSD card, and this is pretty much the only solution, which I know it's just annoying to use, but still, if you just care about, for example, transferring the data, then this is what you can do. Leave a like and subscribe.